Here's I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF document to Microsoft Excel file using Adobe Acrobat. Go to your Adobe Acrobat, click on File, click on Open, and then open the PDF document, which one you want to convert into Microsoft Excel. Now, click on File, hover over on Export to. Here, select Spreadsheet, and if you're using old version of Microsoft Excel, then you have to select this option, XML Spreadsheet 2003. And if you're using latest version of Microsoft Excel, then select Microsoft Excel Workbook. And here, select a location to export the file, and make sure your file type is Excel, Access, or Excel. And you can rename your file, then click on Save. It may take some moments to export the file. Once exported, go to your file explorer, and here you will find the Excel file. Now open the Excel file with your Microsoft Excel, and here, as you can see, now I can easily work with this file from my Microsoft Excel. So that's how you can actually do it.